That's an Aaron.
Cut right here. Cut in front.
Tierney.
Oh, she's having no problem, or is Tierney helping?
No?
She had no problem.
Oh, she's doing a good job. Wow.
Hold it.
No more?
Okay,
Here, look at me.
Josh, need your turn. Anybody else want to cut?
I do. Okay, Darren. Let Josh
Josh
cut.
needs another turn. Ooh, that's kind of a cool looking cut.
Yeah, it is, really.
Yeah. Get some more.
Alright.
Oh.
That looks good actually. It looks like a style of some sort.
Yeah, it does. Especially with all the links everything is now.
Oh,
you're back in
point.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got going on here.
Here, let me see here.
Okay, let's have a chair we can pull out just like this now.
Does a lot come out?
Yeah.
Run your fingers
Oh,
through my
yeah.
hair.